In this research, we present DyGazePass, a gaze gesture-based dynamic authentication system to counter shoulder surfing attacks. The core idea is a user authenticates by following uniquely colored circles that move along random paths on the screen. We present two authentication interfaces that use this approach. A dynamic interface where all the circles move during an animation, and a static dynamic interface where only 5 circles move during an animation. We hypothesize that the user will remember their password colors by associating them with their favorite colors and the colors of objects they use daily, like the color of their car. Now we will see how the user authenticates on a dynamic interface with an animation speed of 3 seconds. First, the user selects a password, and here the user has selected pink, yellow, green, and sky blue. To initiate circles transition on each animation, the user presses a hotkey, in this case A. To authenticate, the user follows pink colored circle on the first animation, yellow colored circle on the second animation, green colored circle on the third animation, and sky blue colored circle on the fourth animation. The user is successfully authenticated if all the colors are correctly followed. Here is an example of the dynamic interface with animation speed set to 2 seconds. Now we will see a user authenticating on a static dynamic interface with an animation speed of 2 seconds. First, the user selects a password, and here the user has selected yellow, green, pink, and orange. To authenticate, the user follows yellow colored circle on the first animation, green colored circle on the second animation, pink colored circle on the third animation, and orange colored circle on the fourth animation. If all the circles are correctly followed, the user is successfully authenticated. Overall, we found that static dynamic interface with an animation speed of 2 seconds is the most effective authentication method with an accuracy of 97.5%. We further evaluated the susceptibility of our system to single and dual video attacks by comparing it against a traditional pin and gaze based interface. In single video attack, the hacker will have access to the video showing the user's face and eye movements during authentication. In dual video attack, the hacker will have access to both the videos of user's face and the authentication interface. On traditional gaze and pin-based interface, a total of 79.2% of passwords were hacked with the single video attack. On our colored circles interface, no password was hacked with the single video attack, and this is because the interface is constantly changing. With dual video attack, 16.7% of passwords were hacked on our interface.